This is a video on the Vermeer stump grinder, and we're gonna walk around. It's a SC252 gas-powered stump grinder. Looks like it has some good teeth on it. I took some really good pictures, so you should be able to check everything out pretty good. Comes with its trailer, ready to go. Looks like a 2-inch ball. Anyway, we'll fire it up. I'm not going to take it off the trailer or anything, but I'll fire it up for you and see what she can do. Let's see here. This is a choke. This is a throttle. This is the drive. This, I think, is a boom. Yep. That's the boom. Puts it side to side. Works real smooth. Put it right in the middle. And this is turn on the that's it, really. Can't really do a stump here. I don't have anything to do, but there is an extra set of tires that go with it. I'll get a picture of those. And that makes the thing a dually. So if you're in an area that's soft, you can probably plow through it. It just makes the back tires there duals instead of singles. Alrighty, so I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this down. Go ahead and rev this up. Turn this on. There we go. Okay. Now turn that down, lower this down. I think that's it. Shut her off. So that's it. That's the video on the stump grinder. Thanks.